In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games in Steam using Steam Wallet. We'll walk through checking your balance, adding funds, and completing a purchase so you can start playing right away. Start by signing into your Steam account, either in the desktop client or on the Steam website. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click your profile name or avatar to open your profile page. From there, choose View My Wallet. This page shows your current Steam Wallet balance, so you'll know whether you're ready to buy or if you need to top up. If you need more funds, click Add Funds to your Steam Wallet. Select the amount you want to add. Available increments can vary by region and pick your preferred payment method, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or a local option. Complete the checkout to top up your wallet. A quick tip: make sure your billing information matches your payment provider to avoid declines, and be aware that taxes or verification steps may appear depending on your location. Wallet funds are usually available immediately, but if you don't see them right away, give it a moment and refresh. With funds in place, go to the Steam store. Browse featured titles, use search to find a specific game, or filter by genre to narrow things down. When you've found the game you want, click Add to Cart. Open your cart, then choose Purchase for myself to buy it for your account, or purchase as a gift if you plan to send it to someone else. Gifting may be limited by region, so it's worth checking the store page for any restrictions before you proceed. On the payment screen, confirm that Steam Wallet is selected as your payment method. If your wallet balance doesn't cover the full price, Steam will let you add another payment method to pay just the remaining amount. Review the order details, agree to the terms if prompted, and follow the on-screen steps to finalize the purchase. If the buy button is grayed out, make sure your cart only includes items available in your region and that your account is in good standing. Once the transaction is complete, the game is instantly added to your Steam library. Open your library, select the new title from the list, and click Install to download it. Choose your install location if asked, and make sure you have enough disk space before you begin. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.